Hello, and welcome to this Excel course. Excel is the world's most used spreadsheet program. Excel is a powerful tool to use for mathematical functions. In this course, we're going to be looking at the following. What is Excel? Why use Excel? The Excel terminologies such as rows, columns, workbook, worksheet. We'll also take a look at arithmetic operations in Excel, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication. We'll also look at formatting in Excel, border formatting, number formatting, font formatting, and many other types of formatting. We'll also take a look at Excel functions, the count, count if, sum if, average, and many other Excel functions.